Alright, with this iNote application, you're going to have some very basic features, and I will describe them for you. This one up top, it is the pin. So when you select that, you're going to be able to determine the color that you want, and you can determine the size of how big it is when you write. Okay, and to get out of that, you just click there, and that'll determine what it is. Now, the one below that is an eraser, and again, it'll determine the size of how big the area that you want to erase. And then all you have to do is just erase it like so. For this, the third one down looks like a clipboard. Once you click on that, it actually gives you different backgrounds that you can choose, different styles of paper and what the background is going to look like. And you just select OK on which one you want, and then there you go. For the hand, that's basically if you're not using the pin, you can move the screen up and down. Okay, now for these ones at the bottom, for this back arrow is just actually to return to the other screen. And what that's going to do is you can either save it, you can discard it, or you can just save the picture. For the one next to that is the paintbrush, and that one it'll give you the option to create a new picture, open a new picture, save the picture that you just created, or just cancel out of it. This one, these buttons will actually, these are the undo and the redo buttons that you do on like basic paint on your computer. So if you did something that you didn't want to do, you just hit the undo or you hit the redo to make it reappear. For the little trash can that's right next to there, that is actually to delete the whole screen. So once you click on that, everything will be erased. It's like creating a new page. For this, it kind of looks like a file box. That's only if you have Wi-Fi service, and if you have Wi-Fi service, that's just to email the picture that you just created to whomever you want to email it. Now there's a blue and red marker on here. The blue is a plus sign, the red is a minus. What that means is what you can actually do is create a new page. So once you create a new page, it'll start all new, and you can start off with several different pages. If you only want 2 or 3 pages, you can add a new one, or if you only want like 2, you can subtract one, hitting the red button. And the last part is the little thumbtack that you see on the lower right corner. That's just to make all these icons disappear if you don't want them there anymore. And those are all the features on the iNote application.